The third and fourth structures for facilitating learner-centered teaching are non-formal and informal education. These two are the opposite of formal education. So for the non-formal education, it is when someone who is not in school can learn literacy, other basic skills, or job skills. It is highly flexible and includes a wide range of activities. Some of the examples may be fitness programs, community-based adult education courses, and free courses on different platforms. It can take different forms of learning, which is consistently and systematically provided in order to develop a particular skill or ability in an individual. Other examples is home education, individualized instruction such as programmed learning, distance learning, and computer-assisted instructions are other possibilities. The characteristics for non-formal is it is planned but takes place apart from the academic education provided by the school education system. It means that it is not relating to a school or formal education. It is highly flexible and adjustable because it offers flexible courses according to the abilities of the student. There is generally no age limit to gain this type of education. It may or may not involve certificates or fees. It can be either part-time or full-time or as a profession. It includes both theoretical and practical education. For the advantages of non-formal, it is an open-ended educational system available both in public and private domains. Students is not bound by any rules or instructions. There is no right and wrong way. There is no need to conduct regular examinations. Diplomas, certificates, and awards are not essential because it is generally a kind of skill development. It involves the practical application of the theoretical knowledge obtained. On the other hand, the disadvantages for non-formal is if you are learning, it is just as a hobby. You don't require a professional or a trained teacher to impart non-formal education. So if there is no guidance with the professionals, so wa ta kabalo kung ang gibuhat sa students kay sakto ba or dili. Second is no regular examinations are conducted to evaluate the skill development. So kung walay examinations nga gi-conduct, di ta makabalo kung nakat-on ba jud ang mga estudyante or wala. The third is the high possibility of fake certifications through different institutions. For the informal, it is an education that is not derived in schools through a proper learning method. It is not pre-planned nor deliberate. People can also get informal education through books or educational websites. A parent is teaching a child things that are beyond academics, like preparing a meal or riding bicycle. It is an experience that an individual garners by undergoing regular practice and observing others. Some of the examples may be teaching a child with some basic personality traits, learning a mother tongue, performing certain extracurricular activities. For the characteristics of informal, it is an independent form of study with no definite syllabus. It is not pre-planned and does not have a proper timetable. It is an experience that is gained through practice. It does not require a fee payment all the time. It is a lifelong process in a natural way. There is no certificates or degrees involved. For the advantages of informal education, it is a natural learning process that can come from anywhere and everywhere. It could be in the interactions with friends, family, or work colleagues, or in the websites, or through websites. It requires regular practice and polishing. It utilizes a variety of techniques and does not have a specific time span. There is no need to hire experts or professionals for this learning because it is more on independent learning. For the disadvantages of informal education, there is a plenty of misinformation available on various social media platforms. Not all the information found on the internet are reliable. It does not follow a proper schedule or a time span. There is an absence of discipline and attitude amongst the learners. Results are highly unpredictable, which means that we cannot tell what they are going to do and how they are going to behave.